Good morning, happy Thursday, November 9th. We're starting off the day with rates better this morning than we started off the day yesterday. Nice little trend developing there. This morning we received initial jobless claims. That's the weekly report. And on initial claims, just a little bit higher than expectations. And on continuing claims, a little bit higher than expectations. Both of those usually good for mortgage rates. This morning we're seeing that reflected in the rate sheets as they're a little bit better across the board. Now the bond market though, down a little bit to start the day as I'm recording this video, down about 10 or so basis points. And we are trading in a pretty wide channel. So if we see that bond market continue to deteriorate, we could lose some ground and see lenders reprice for the worst. Also a chance that it goes the other way, as we did see the 10-year treasury kind of break through a little bit of resistance there. So ideally we can kind of keep this lower rate trend continuing. Now the rest of the week, a little bit light on data, but next Tuesday we're going to get the Consumer Price Index report. That's a measure of inflation, and that's really maybe the next big catalyst in the market, as of course the Fed has mentioned that they really are striving to get inflation down to that 2% annual rate. The Consumer Price Index report will give us another measure of inflation, give us a chance to take a peek at that. Now throughout the rest of the week, certainly still available for you, and I wanted to mention that if we're in a situation where we have a seller that can't provide seller concessions, but a client's just not comfortable with the current rate environment, there are a lot of opportunities to still improve upon that, including lender price adjustments that allow us, the loan level price adjustments is technically the right term, that allow us to actually build in either a 1.0 buy down, a 1.1 buy down into the actual loan. So just because we have a seller unwilling to provide concessions, certainly still options available if the consumer doesn't want to pay the note rate that's out there right now. So just want to mention that and certainly be available to run any scenarios for you or your clients. Now be available if I can be of any assistance throughout the day, and let's have a monumental day.